Hi, in this video I'm going to go over how this online instruction was designed to help you get ready to do your best at the student teaching when we start in the fall. All right, so I'm going to be joined by 4 other co-presenters. This is what our agenda looks like. So 9 to 9:15, introductions and overview. At 9:15, we'll have a short breakout room where you will talk with some of your colleagues. Then at 9:30 you will join either Module A with Neil and Ron or Module B with Ben and Alik. We'll pre-assign you to that. Take a short break about 10:45 to 11. 11 to 12:15 you'll attend the other module, whichever one you didn't do. And then we'll have general questions and wrap up from 12:15 to 1. So in order for you to get the most out of this, I thought it would be helpful if I went over where we are. So many of you have already started here and you've completed the technology survey, which is great. Thank you so much. And a lot of you have already joined the Google class and you've submitted your Flipgrid intro. Okay. Quite a few of you have also read the CRP, the Culturally Responsive Pedagogy during Distance Learning, and you filled in the Google form. And some of you have even gotten to assignment number 4, which is the interactive slides. Sorry, I went the wrong way. And tomorrow, Tuesday, or today if you're watching today, you'll be attending the live Zoom. Then there'll be some things for you to do afterwards. So there is a Zoom for making your a tutorial for making your Zoom class more student-centered. Watch that. Then you're going to choose 3 tutorials to watch, video tutorials, so that you will get an idea for the different types of applications that are available to help you make your class more engaging and interactive and successful. Then the final product will be you'll create an online lesson using at least 3 different apps and submit that to Google Class. So I've designed this as kind of a choice menu for the different tutorials, right? So you get to choose your own video tutorials based on your interest and what you think you need to know. So Screencastify is a recording so that you can make a little lecture similar to what I'm doing. We have beginning and advanced Google Form tutorials. There's a Pear Deck tutorial, Google Slides. This escape room is how to make a kind of hidden things in Google Slides. Jamboard, a couple different tutorials there. Google Sites, making website, and Padlet. So you'll choose your tutorial from one of those. I really appreciate you devoting some time this summer to joining us, and I hope we're going to have a great summer, a great session together.